So you ever smell fresh cut grass right before it rains? It does smell good. It smells like watermelon. So it's raining and I'm trying to put on my tire stickers on my bike, and I had a plan to have all tires done this evening, but I didn't know it was raining, didn't know it was gonna rain, and you can't do this when it's wet. So the thing is I'm gonna try to do it here in my shed. Tiny spot, but I'm gonna try to do it here in the shed. So let me show you what I got and what we're gonna try to do. So this is the shed. I got plenty of light to do this, but not a lot of space. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put tire stickers on. I'm gonna start with the back, then obviously I have to move the lawnmower out of the way. Once that's out of the way, then I can do the front, and I may have to maneuver the bike to, you know, turn around or something so I can do the other side of the front tire, because it's not a lot of space over there. But this is what tire stickers sent me to put on. So this is what we got. I got 2 sizes for each word. Alright, so better understand that. I got Noriko here in a smaller size than this Noriko in the same color. Then I got Dragon Chi here in a larger size, and this is in a smaller size in the same color. And there's a process of why we did that, and I'll tell you that in a moment. Here you got the rubber bright I was telling you about to keep the tire leather clean, and you also got a small bottle, and this is the application process to put it on. I don't know how I'm actually going to film all this because I'll be doing it by myself, so I'll just start out the first process of putting it on and go from there. So I wanted to video this while I was actually installing the tire stickers on my wheel, but it's not that easy when you're doing the actual adhesive on the labels or the letters and then trying to put it on and video yourself when you didn't prepare. I didn't do that, so I'm sorry. So my lovely assistant she decided to come out and help me in the drizzle rain in this tight shed. I did want to get the opportunity to show you how we place it or prep it to put the stickers on the tire period. So I got a cloth. You will need acetone. Smells just like fingernail polish remover or your neighborhood nail salon. Take this, put it on the rag, and where you're actually going to apply the tire stickers, you need to clean it until the rag is not as dirty as it started out. You're going to be surprised when you start wiping it how dirty your tire really is. Some of you who think your bike is real clean, you realize that it's not that clean at all. Prep it. Once you prep it, take your label that you're going to put on, or your tire sticker you're going to put on. This is theirs. They're actually adhesive that you put on the tire sticker itself. It smells a little bit like super glue too. You're going to apply it firmly onto the back of it. Now some people say you need to sand the tire, and I spoke to the guys at tire stickers. You don't have to sand the tire. The only thing you need to do to prep the tire to place these on is clean it with acetone or clean it with brake clean. Apply the adhesive on the back generously, but not too much. Make sure that you don't apply too much on it that it gets to a point where it oozes off the actual label. With something as large as this, you can cut the actual plastic that is on, so you can have sections so you can make sure it's lined up properly, and then put it on. So I'm gonna cut these in sections so I can better handle them when I put it on, plus when I put the adhesive on it. So just make a good line, cut it, and it's not that easy to cut this plastic because it's actually plastic. It's not a clear coat. It's a plastic that's holding it. So I'm going to cut this one more time. Hi, Jesus Cristo. So that's done. Alright, so this is the adhesive from Tire Sticker. When I said earlier, apply this generously, this is what I meant. So I cut these in sections. Take the first section that I'm going to apply to the tire, and this is how you're going to put it on. Don't squeeze too hard. Squeeze enough to let it start to come out. And the best words I heard is draw the adhesive in. So I'm not squeezing it to apply anymore. I'm using what's already on it. And I'm just coloring in the D. Coloring in the D. Coloring in the D. She said coloring in the D. Same with the R. Apply it. And then color in the R. Don't worry about it drying on you too fast and you having to hurry up and rush, because this isn't going to dry that fast as you apply it to the actual letter. Third one, same thing. Okay, it's pretty much on there. So next thing you know, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the tire. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the first section. I'm trying to line it up as best I can with the actual letters I already have on my wheel. So apply it. It's pretty even, pretty smooth. And you want to apply pressure to the letter for at least 30 seconds. And that's why they did say do this in sections. Do not do this with the whole label. It won't work. Do it in sections. Don't apply too much of the actual adhesive, because when you get to this point and you're pressing it and you're trying to hold the firm pressure to it, it'll ooze right out the sides and that'll mess up your tire, mess it up too, and it'll look kind of nasty. So apply 30 seconds worth of pressure and then move on to the next section and apply it as well.